In this question, we've been told that the cash price of a good is rupees 48,000, hire purchase price is rupees 52,000, the total number of installments is 20, the number of installments paid is 14. Calculate the amount payable by the purchaser if he wishes to settle the balance amount in lump sum. So let's break down this question. Cash price is 48,000. Since you're buying this for hire purchase, you will have to shell out 52,000. The total number of installments, the total number of parts that you would have to pay is 20. Out of 20 part payments, you have already made 14 part payments, which means you are left over with 6. Now you have to calculate how much would the settle amount be if you were to go for lump sum pay. So let's quickly work this out. Okay, so let's work out what are the information given to us. We know that the cash price. Okay, we know that the cash price of the good, is. Cash price of the good is rupees. Okay. Cash price of the good is rupees 48,000. Okay. Cash price of the good is. So here in this question, we've been given that the hire purchase price is rupees 52,000. Okay. We know that the hire purchase price of the good is rupees 52,000. That has been given. So hire charges. Now let's work out the hire charges. What's the formula for calculating hire purchase charges is hire purchase price minus cash price. So let's work this out. 52,000 minus 48,000. So which means this will be 4,000. So this will be hire charges is 4,000. Now what we have to do is we have to calculate the amount per part. Okay, what we have to do is we have to calculate amount per part. So amount per part, we are already aware of the computation. We know there are 52,000 is your total hire purchase price, and you're making this in 20 parts. So which means 52,000 divided by 20. 52,000 divided by 20. So amount per part is rupees 2,600. Okay. Now remember the formula for settlement price. The settlement price is amount outstanding minus rebate. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to calculate the rebate. So formula for calculating rebate is 2 divided by 3, okay, into 2 divided by 3 into hire charges into number of parts outstanding divided by total number of parts. So this is the formula. So let's work this out. 2 divided by 3 into how much is the hire charges? Hire charges is 4,000 into amount per part, a number of parts outstanding. So number of parts which are outstanding, we know that out of 20 part payments, we've already paid 4, which means number outstanding is 6. Okay. So you have 6 part payments which are outstanding. 6 part payments are outstanding, and divided by total number of parts. So total number of parts is 20. And then so let's just quickly work this out. 2 divided by 3 into okay. So let's just quickly calculate this. Let's work out the computation for this. So rebate amount, we get the rebate amount to be 800. So this is rupees 800. Now let's calculate the settlement price. So amount outstanding. So amount outstanding would be per part payment. We know it's 2,600 into number of parts outstanding is 6. So let's just calculate this minus 800. So 15,600 minus 800. So this will be 14,000. This will be 14,800. So settlement price would be 14,800.